Tokozan guys, come gather this side please quickly, just for a minute. But hey, this album, I listen to it almost every day. I've listened to it before years ago. I play it in the waiting room while clients are waiting to be consulted. So today I'm about to play music, and guess what? I see Gogo Nene. Usibongile uyacula, guys. And she sounds so good. I wish you could focus more on the singing. I really enjoyed this album. Please go and listen to it. She should focus more on the singing and promote her music, because wow, I'm so shocked. But it's a pleasant surprise because I've been listening to this album. Go check it out. Please listen to it. It is amazing. Even though I know we have our differences, but let's give her her flowers. Let's give her flowers.
So you guys, Gogo Spunkile or Gogo Nene is well known as the Sangoma who usually trends by going after Gogo Skuteni and Maweni on social media whenever they trend. And basically that's how we got to know about her. Apparently not only is she a Sangoma, but she's also a singer. Gogo Maweni is singing her praises there on TikTok after she had found out that Gogo Nene had an album that she had released, and I'm assuming it was years ago before she became well known as a Maweni and Skoteni hater. Well, Gogo Maweni actually praised her and said that the album is actually really good, and that not only had she focused on her music and not izindaba zakhe, then she probably would have been successful. Maweni also urged Nana to focus on her music because she is truly impressed by her singing talents and believe that she can make it in the industry. Now, what are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Also like, share, subscribe, and of course do follow the page.